and Fast and Furious Supercharged. I'm going to let you know when you're supposed to put them on. So for now, just hold on to them. Don't let them fall off the sides of the track. They're basically tricked out golf carts. And if you saw Jurassic World or Jurassic World Fallen Kingdom, you will definitely recognize the gyrosphere. Some of those cars just don't have engines in them and are still drivable. Some of them, we've taken the engines out. We can't drive those anymore. Why would we do that to ourselves? Well, sometimes we just... Fans of the Lost World Jurassic Park might recognize the mobile lab unit that's to your left. It's the same one that dangled precariously over a cliff in the film. Oh, it looks like something's going on inside of it. We do keep some dinosaurs back there, so just keep your eyes peeled, see if you spot them. And the mobile lab unit we passed back there, I said it dangled precariously over a cliff in the film The Lost World, but the cliff was not a cliff. The cliff was a parking garage on our front lot. We actually drove by it a few minutes ago. Here's a glance at that scene.
Amity Island and Isla Nublar. That's your forecast for today. Now here's a look at what's going on in your neck of the lot.
Yeah, what's happening here? We're in Old Mexico. It's raining. Al says flash flood warning. What? That can't be right. You guys can see that rain's not real. It's kind of only happening on the left side of the tram. That rain is the result of an overhead sprinkler system. It's just shooting the water up in the air. We did have a flash flood. Wilson was right. That one wasn't real either, though. That's recycled water being released from tanks at the top of the hill. Here's what that looks like in Big Fat Liar.
You can't outrun the wolf, kid! Yeah, we'll see about that.
1955, 85, and a futuristic 2050 put together here for the first two Back to the Future movies. That's Greg out there, guys. Wave hello to Greg. Greg is a VIP tour guide. He's showing our guests around. So welcome you to it now. Sting, Blues Brothers, Dirty Harry. Favorites of mine came back with Mel Gibson, Castaway with Tom Hanks, and Tracy with Warren Beatty.
If you're on the back lot, the world's around the corner at every turn. That's very true right now. We left the Old West. To your left, that water, that's the Black Lagoon from the creature from the Black Lagoon. And now as we make this turn, look at the cute buildings over to your left. We call that Little Europe. That's where the original monster movie film shot on.
We have to decide on the location. Where does it take place? And we're going to try to indicate to the audience where it is with the signage. Posters we put up, maybe just a straight name. Maybe it takes place in the comic.
buddy George is out there in the water by the boat, doing a sweep, making sure everything's okay. He's gonna pop up, give us the thumbs up. That means, oh, did we not catch the big shark? George, get out of the water, get into the boat, George! Oh, you guys, that's my buddy George. Oh, he had a lot of guts being out there. Oh, I see that gross. Okay, everybody remain seated. We gotta go somewhere safer, further down the pier. Let's hide behind the gas tank. Be safe behind the gas tanks. George told me earlier they attached some paint to that yellow barrel that's out there in the middle of the water. Let's see if he's still higher. Yeah, he's taking it. And the pier.
When we marketed and released movies. And there's Spielberg in the mouth of the shark. I can't believe he's wearing those shorts with those socks. I wouldn't do it. He's got a Ladies After Wood, Harvey with Jimmy Stewart. More recently, Why Him, starring James Franco and Bryan Cranston. Ted 2, starring Mark Wahlberg. Super Troopers 2, starring the Super Troopers. I'll dig a little deeper. You may never have heard of these guys. I don't care. I love them. The Thrill of It All, starring Doris Day and James Garner. The Ghost of Mr. Chicken, starring Don Knotts. Nightmare on Elm Street 6. Stuff to look out for the next time you turn on your television. So here on your screens is my favorite stuff that we've done in the area.
Means of the neighborhood where Tom Cruise heads out the film. On your left, that is a real 747 airplane.
Is a perfect example of a set that is all designed around a vision that Steven had.
When we first began to sit down and talk about the War of the World, I thought, what if the 747 goes down right in a big neighborhood? Because it's just something you don't see.
You're doing good. You're doing great.
In front of it. We can fill that pit up with water and shoot different types of scenes over there, like this from Psycho. Spoiler alert if you've never seen Psycho.